Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 9. So in the last class we have completed with the number system. In the number system we have solved some of the examples on the laws of operations of real numbers. Okay, so in the laws of operation of real numbers we have studied some of the identities and we have solved some of the examples, and in this session or in this video you are going to learn that is a new topic, that is class 9 of polynomials. So this is your second chapter, polynomials. So this is the second chapter, polynomials. I am going to deal with, that is a polynomials. So before going to polynomials, first of all I want to discuss what is the concept of terms. What is the concept of terms? So in the terms means, if I take an example, I choose example as 2x. I choose example as 2x. Here 2 is called as coefficient. It is an algebraic expression. Term is also an algebraic expression. 2 is called an coefficient and x is called an variable. X is called as variable and 2 is called as coefficient. What do you mean by the term? Okay, so expression I had chosen as 2x. In that 2 is coefficient, x is variable, 2x is also an algebraic expression. But what is the definition of terms says? The terms is nothing but the product of coefficient, the product of coefficient, the product of coefficient and variable is called term. Okay, so this is the definition of term, that is coefficient. 2 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and the product of coefficient and variable is called as term. Okay, so this is the definition for term. And what is variable? Variable we also know, and it is a changing value, and constant means you already know it is fixed value. So take these two definitions also. So that is variable and constants. So what is the definition of variable and what is the definition of constant? Okay, so these two definitions are very important. So see here, variable means it is a expression of, it is a changing value. It is changing of value. It is a changing of value. Example, if you give for variable, it is a changing of value means if it is x plus 2 which is equals to 5, if I put x is equals to 1, if I put x is equals to 1, then it is 1, that is x is equals to 1 means 1 plus 2 which is equals to 3. Okay, so just I choose this x plus 2 which is equals to 0, and this I put, it is 1, put x is equals to 1, you will get 1 plus 2 which is equals to 3 is equals to 0. Okay, similarly if I want x minus 2 which is equals to 0, if I put x is equals to 1, so 1 minus 2 which is equals to 0, this will be minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 is not equal to 0 and this will not equals to 0, means x plus 2 which is equals to, if you put x is equals to, when the answer you are getting as 3 which is not equals to 0. Similarly if you put x is equals to, you are getting as minus 1. So you are getting the different values, means you are saying that it is a changing of value, means it is a variable. Okay, so now what are constants now? So constants means here all of you. So constants is nothing but it is fixed values. Constants is nothing but it is fixed values. It is fixed values. It is fixed values means, example you can give, that is example for constant values is 100, 20, 30. So these are the examples for constant. Constants are nothing but it is a fixed values. Examples are 100, 20 and 30. So this is the basic concept behind this one. Then we are having the types of expressions. Then we are having the types of expression. Types of expression. So in the types of expression, first expression you have learned, that is types of term, that is monomial. Monomial. What is monomial? Definition says an algebraic expression containing only one term. An algebraic expression contains only one term. Only one term is called monomial. So take this definition: an algebraic expression containing only one term is called monomial. An algebraic expression containing one term. Example, if I choose example as 2x. I choose example as 2x. That is for definition of monomial. Again, if I want to choose an example, I choose 3x. So 2x comma 3x. So these are the example for monomial. Okay, next one I am going to study, that is second type. That is second type you are having as binomial. Binomial. So what is the definition of binomial? Says an algebraic expression containing, that is two terms. Containing two terms is called binomial. So this is the definition for binomial. An algebraic expression containing only two terms is called binomial. Example, if you want to give for this binomial, that is 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is an example for binomial. One more example, if I want, you can take any example of two operations. So I choose 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3 is also an example for binomial expression. So this is the definition of binomial. An algebraic expression containing only two terms is called binomial. Okay, lastly, finally we are having, that is trinomial. An algebraic expression containing three terms. Instead of two, you have to write tri. The word tri says three, so you should write the three terms. An algebraic expression contains only three terms. That is, three terms are called, and write this as in the binomial also you change. That is, an algebraic contains only two terms are called binomial. Algebraic expression containing three terms are called trinomial. So you have to write this as trinomial. Okay, and you have to write the definition, that is examples you have to give for this one. That is, I write, it is x plus y plus z. So this is an example for trinomial. One more example, p plus q plus r. P plus q plus r is an algebraic expression for trinomial. Okay, so definition says an algebraic expression contains three terms are called trinomial: x plus y plus z, p plus q plus r. So this is the definition for trinomial. Okay, next we are having polynomial. That is polynomial that is more than three terms. More than three terms is called polynomial, but your 9th standard definition says what is a polynomial. So polynomial definition says, that is, it is an polynomial, it is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression contains the variables, coefficients. It is an algebraic expression contains the variables, coefficients and also involves the operation involves the operations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication and includes non-negative integer in the exponents and non-negative integer in exponents, okay, is called polynomial. So polynomial definition says it is an algebraic expression, contains the variables, coefficients, involves the operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer in exponents. For example, if I want to discuss, it is 2x plus 5. Okay, so this is an operation of our addition and the power here is, if there is nothing, means it is 1. It is a non-negative integer. It is the definition, it is algebraic expression. So 2x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. So 2x plus 5 is an algebraic expression, contains the variables, then coefficients, constants and involves the operations such as addition, such as subtraction, such as multiplication. Involves the operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication and non-negative integer in the exponent. So 1 is a non-negative integer in the exponents. So this is the example 1, 2 and this is example 3. Okay, it is an algebraic expression, contains the variables, coefficient, involves the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication with the non-negative integer are called polynomials. So this is the definition for polynomials. Okay, so note down this definition of polynomials. I think you have understood the definition of polynomials. Next you are going to study the degree of the polynomial. Next your concept you are having as, that is degree of polynomial. The highest power in the variable is called degree of the polynomial. So write the definition: the highest power in the variable, is called degree of polynomial. So this is the definition for degree of the polynomial. The degree of polynomial says the highest power in the variable is called degree of the polynomial. So here we are having 3 types of degree of the polynomial. So that is linear polynomial. Second one we are having quadratic polynomial. And one more you are having as cubic polynomial. So this is your up to your syllabus. Linear polynomial means here expression is expressed here is ax plus b. Quadratic polynomial means ax square plus bx plus c. And similarly cubic polynomial means ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is your cubic polynomial. Okay, so here you are having the 3 types of polynomials you can see here. So linear, an expression whose power is in the variable whose power is 1, such type of polynomials is called as linear polynomial. quadratic polynomial. It is an algebraic expression containing whose highest power of the variable is 2. Such type of expression is called quadratic polynomial. The highest power of the quadratic polynomial is 2. And similarly, cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, the highest power of the variable is 3, so it is called cubic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, the highest power of the variable is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Linear, the highest power of the variable is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Okay, so degree of the polynomial says the highest power in the variable is called degree of the polynomial. I think you have understood this concept.